Hey friends, welcome back to Learning Tree.
Do you know which state is called Silicon State of India?
That's easy. It's Karnataka.
Wow, why it is called like that?
Because its capital, Bengaluru, is India's biggest IT and the startup hub. And it's home to Infosys, Wipro, ISRO, and even the world's top tech innovators.
Oh, so India's space agency launched Prayan Aditya L1 from here, right?
Exactly. And Karnataka has also best places. Korgo, Mysuru Palace, Jag Falls, and Hampi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
So it is a state where technology meets tradition.
Exactly. And Karnataka shows how the innovators and culture shine together. We love Karnataka.
Now, see you next episode. Bye.
Bye.